While we talk about the major altcoins that are trading in the green, we should never forget other altcoins that are showcasing a significant bullish note on their price action. HEX token is one of the prominent tokens among the lot. If you're looking to invest in HEX, let us tell you, this is probably the best time to pay attention to this token. Make sure to watch this video till the end to never miss out on important opportunities concerning HEX. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel. Comment down below which token you would want to learn about next. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. HEX token is down by 4%. However, there is nothing to be sad or worried about because this percentage is based on the one-day trading calculation. In the last month, the token started an upswing right after the market started to rebound. It is amazing that we could finally see the market rebound, and HEX is likely the first token among the lot to have been trading in such a momentum. In today's video, we'll be talking about the involvement of Richard Heart and Biqun over the price action of the HEX, and more precisely how that will affect you as an investor. Before we jump straight into the video, please note that the crypto market is highly volatile and is frequently changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token price would have switched to a whole different range. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content in this video is curated solely to suffice the purpose of being informative and educational. You were requested to conduct your due diligence or consult a financial expert for that concern to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it right away. Designed by Richard Heart on the 2nd of December 2019, the HEX token has become one of the most popular ERC-20 compatible cryptocurrencies, which claims to be the certificate of deposit on the blockchain. Among the cloud of awesomeness from the shadows of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, the market needed a different cryptocurrency to take the limelight apart from those few cryptos. Richard Heart is among the more brilliant innovators who have been trying to change the game of blockchain technologies, looking forward to advancing the reach of crypto globally. Richard Heart is the owner of HEX, a relatively new protocol that would eliminate all those middlemen playing a part and putting more interest in the buyer's pockets. Well, we have heard that XRP claims to eliminate all the middlemen in the case of international money transfers so that the process is cost-effective and quick. For HEX, it is quite the same, but it certainly differs in terms of operations. The HEX token has a much higher and broader market to operate on. On Richard's background a bit, this one kid pointing at who our moms used to be like, why can't you be like him? Richard was a gifted child with a great sense of programming and entered the market with this hands-on approach to Bitcoin when he realized the flaws within Bitcoin that led to the creation of the HEX token. According to HEX, Bitcoin was made to get rid of the middlemen, not add them. According to Heart, HEX coin does things that certainly Bitcoin can't. HEX is more secure against inflation bugs and pays interest directly to the customer. Bitcoin, meanwhile, requires hazardous lending to accrue interest. In the eyes of many cryptocurrency veterans, HEX was a whole new system that was branded a hoax. In recent months, HEX's reputation has improved. The following is what Richards explains. I'm a very controversial figure who has strong, accurate ideas on a variety of topics. Facebook's demise of MySpace probably didn't go down well with MySpace. Those in power are terrified of being replaced. HEX expanded by 2,700% during the course of a year. In early July, its market capitalization topped $65 billion, making it temporarily the world's third largest cryptocurrency. Scam and Ponzi scheme are terms used to some in the crypto world to describe HEX. These issues are discussed by Kitco News presenter David Lin and the company's founder Richard Heart. Well, in a way, these are some things that would come to you while you were trying to reach a certain good height. Even though the HEX token is trying to achieve something big, we would have the market pulling the token back. And honestly, it's terrific, and a real sportsman spirit for Richard is actually winning to defend his baby from the accusations of the token being a scam. Richard Heart is an active member of the cryptocurrency world who is prepared to speak openly about the concerns. These are not, in general, typical activities and behaviors, especially over a nearly 2-year period. Well, not to mention, once a rumor starts, it wouldn't be easy for the same to drop back. While talking to Kitco News, Richard Hart actually linked HEX's situation to that of Bitcoin's. He said that the scam accusations against this token are precisely the same as what happened with Bitcoin while the biggest crypto was in its early days of launch. He also addressed the concerns and allegations that were being associated with the HEX token with regards to HEX's certificate of deposit mechanism. Many say that because of the high payout HEX token generated, this protocol is certain to be unsustainable. Richard was keen to state that the reliance on the third party looking forward to generating yield is the primal reason people lose money. If you get yield from, like you said, some of these people, you give them your coins, you hope they pay you back some interest. That's how people lose their money. That is the opposite of why cryptocurrency was invented, he added. To demonstrate his point, he listed a slew of exchange hacks and scandals. Mt. Gox, Quadriga CX, and KuCoin and Binance hacks are among them. Instead, Hart claimed that he created HEX in the spirit of cryptocurrency and in the manner in which it is supposed to function. Users do not rely on centralized third parties to make revenue this way. This, in his opinion, is the polar opposite of a Ponzi scheme. Well, you may have the question, what exactly is the Ponzi scheme and why is the HEX coin being called a Ponzi? It started with Charles Ponzi, an Italian immigrant who joined thousands of people to buy into his stamp-based money-making scheme. Taking money from today's investors to pay off debts owed to yesterday's investors was the primary strategy in play. Critics have leveled a similar charge against HEX, claiming the tokens are created out of thin air and that the newer currencies are used to pay the interest rate on older coins. When investors are owed money that cannot be paid, Ponzi schemes fail, according to Hart. HEX is built in such a way that users will always be able to mint what they are owed, according to him. In this system, you will always be able to mint yourself the HEX you owe yourself. It can't possibly collapse in that way, he added. Despite the controversy, Hart remained steadfast in its explanation of why HEX is equivalent to well-known currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, on that question, whether you would invest in the HEX coin, you should have the answer now. HEX coin is on a highly bullish trend, one that you should be a part of. HEX coin started this unique trend line on the 28th of April 2021. Indeed, the year 2021 was the greatest for most altcoins. And the most exciting part is that the HEX token did not fall from its high even during the peak downtimes of the market. And that is the main reason why you should not skip your eyes from this one. On the market's impact on this crypto, it did reduce its higher high but was trading up. What is to be noted is that the token gave its all-time highs immediately after the market witnessed higher investment inflows. On the 12th of July 2021, the HEX coin started its uptrend towards an immediate resistance. The upswing was completed after HEX reached $0.18 on the 16th of July 2021. It declined as a corrective measure to the lowest at $0.11 on the 3rd of August 2021, from which the token bounced off again towards another resistance at $0.15 on the 4th of August. The current price trajectory of HEX is nothing but a disciplinary measure following the trend line towards its immediate resistance at $0.14. If this token continues to trade along this trend line, investing here would turn out to be an extremely profitable investment in the long run. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell notifications to never miss out on any updates on what's burning coins in the market. Till then, keep enjoying and watching, and comment down what's your opinion on the HEX token. Goodbye.